looking for ways to earn extra income while working full-time? Ever considered part-time or overnight jobs? Welcome to the world of side hustles, a thriving landscape for those who dare to dream beyond the 9-to-5 grind. In today's economy, it's not just about earning a paycheck, it's about creating multiple streams of income. Side hustles can act as your financial safety net, an avenue to pursue your passions, or simply a means to boost your savings. They come in all shapes and sizes, from freelancing and consulting to online tutoring, e-commerce, and even participating in the sharing economy. The benefits are plentiful. You could improve your financial situation, gain new skills, and even discover a new career path. So if you're ready to take the leap and explore new horizons, let's dive into some popular and profitable side hustles that you can consider in 2024. First on our list is freelancing and consulting. Now let's dive right in. Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and expertise. Essentially, it allows you to work independently, on a project-by-project or client-by-client basis. This means you have the freedom to choose who you work with, what you work on, and even when and where you work. It's all about flexibility. Now you might be wondering, but what skills do I need to be a freelancer? Well, the great news is, just about any skill can be freelanced. Are you a whiz at graphic design, a master of social media marketing? Perhaps you're a talented writer or an expert coder. Whatever your skills, there's likely a market for them, and that leads us to consulting. Consulting is a form of freelancing where you provide expert advice in a particular field. Like freelancing, it offers flexibility and the chance to capitalize on your expertise. Now let's talk platforms. The digital age has made freelancing and consulting easier than ever before. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect skilled professionals with clients from all over the world. These platforms offer a secure environment for both parties, handling everything from project proposals to payments. Of course, freelancing and consulting aren't without their challenges. You'll need to be self-motivated, disciplined, and prepared to handle the business side of things. But with perseverance and a willingness to learn, the rewards can be significant. As we move deeper into the 24th year of the 21st century, the gig economy continues to grow. More and more people are turning to freelancing and consulting as a way to earn extra income, achieve work-life balance, or even launch a full-time career. So why not give it a go? Take a look at your skills. What can you offer? Remember, your skills are your biggest asset, and there's always someone out there willing to pay for them. Next up, we have online tutoring. As we navigate through the ever-evolving landscape of the digital age, one of the most prominent shifts we've observed is the transition towards online education. A global shift, accelerated by the current pandemic situation, has led to a significant surge in the demand for online tutors. Let's paint a picture. Imagine a world where your classroom is as accessible as your laptop, where your students could be from any corner of the globe, and your subject could be anything you're proficient in, or even a hobby you're passionate about. From mathematics to music, coding to cooking, the online tutoring world is a vast expanse of opportunities waiting to be explored. Now you may wonder, how do I fit into this? Well, if you have a knack for a particular subject, a skill you've mastered, or a hobby you're passionate about, you're already halfway there. The next step is to share that knowledge with others. And what better way to do that than through online tutoring? Perhaps you're a math whiz who can solve complex equations in your sleep. Or maybe you're a language enthusiast fluent in several tongues. Or you might be a guitar player who can strum the strings to create melodies that soothe the soul. Whoever you are and whatever your skill set, there's a student out there who could benefit from your knowledge. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutor.com have made it easier than ever to connect with students worldwide. And the best part? You can do it from the comfort of your own home, at a time that suits you. No more commuting, no more fixed schedules. You're in control. Not only does online tutoring offer a chance to earn, but it also offers a chance to learn. As you teach, you strengthen your understanding of the subject, develop communication skills, and engage with diverse cultures. It's a win-win situation, so why not turn your proficiency into a profitable side hustle? All it takes is a bit of time, a dash of dedication, and a sprinkle of passion. Online tutoring is not only a great way to earn, but also to share your knowledge with others. Moving on, let's talk about e-commerce and dropshipping. These two terms have been making quite the buzz in the entrepreneurial sphere, and for good reason. But what exactly are they? E-commerce or electronic commerce is simply the act of buying or selling goods or services over the internet. It's like setting up a store, but instead of a physical storefront, you have a digital one. On the other hand, dropshipping is a specific model of e-commerce. What makes it unique is that as a store owner, you don't have to keep the products you sell in your own storage or warehouse. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase from your online store, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer's doorstep. The beauty of this model is that you never have to deal with inventory or shipping, making it a great option for those looking for a side hustle without the logistical headaches. So, how do you get started with e-commerce and dropshipping? Well, you'll first need to set up your online store. There are various platforms to choose from, each with its own set of features and benefits. Some of the more popular ones include eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. After setting up your store, you'll need to find suppliers for the products you want to sell. This is where research comes into play. You'll need to ensure that the supplier is reliable, offers quality products, and can deliver on time. Once you've found your suppliers and listed your products, it's all about marketing your store and making those sales. The great thing about e-commerce and dropshipping is that you're not limited to your local area. With the power of the internet, the world is your market. Remember, success in e-commerce and dropshipping requires time, effort, and a bit of strategic thinking. But with dedication, anyone can turn this into a profitable side hustle. With e-commerce and dropshipping, the world is your market. Last but not least, we have renting and sharing economy. This is an exciting realm where your assets, whether tangible or intangible, can become part of a broader marketplace. It's about turning the things you own into income generators, and it's easier than you might think. Let's start by considering the physical items you have. Have you ever taken a look around your house or apartment and thought about how many things you own but rarely use? From power tools to sports equipment, there's a good chance that someone out there is willing to rent these items. Platforms like Fat Llama make it easy to list your unused items and find people in your local area who are eager to rent them. Moving on to bigger assets such as your car or your home. You've probably heard of platforms like Turo and Airbnb. These platforms allow you to rent out your vehicle or spare rooms to those in need. For instance, if you have a car sitting idle in your driveway, why not rent it out to someone who needs it for the day? Similarly, if you have a spare room or an entire property that's often vacant, you could be earning significant income by renting it out to travelers or locals in need of temporary accommodation. But the sharing economy isn't just about tangible items, it's also about sharing skills and experiences. Think about websites like Skillshare or Masterclass. If you're an expert in a particular field, you could create an online course and earn income every time someone enrolls. The beauty of the renting and sharing economy is that it gives us a way to monetize things we already own. It's about being resourceful, innovative, and seeing the potential in what we have. It's about not just owning assets, but making your assets work for you. And remember, this isn't just about making money, it's about participating in a larger community and contributing to a more sustainable and inclusive economy. So take a look around you. What assets do you have that could be working harder? Renting and sharing economy is all about making your assets work for you. So, those were some of the best side hustles you can consider in 2024. We've delved into the world of freelancing and consulting, explored the vast landscape of online tutoring, and navigated through the bustling markets of e-commerce and dropshipping. Not to forget, we've also dipped our toes into the sharing economy, where your underutilized assets can turn into a steady stream of income. These side hustles are not just about earning extra bucks, they're about maximizing your potential, expanding your horizons, and creating financial freedom. By taking the leap, you're not just predicting your future, you're actively shaping it. Remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. So start your side hustle today. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. If you need help or want to ask a question, feel free to book a one-on-one with me. Until next time, keep hustling.